Hey, fifth grade math, welcome to page 127. This is called a story problem review, okay? So you're gonna have to listen carefully because I'm not gonna do all these with you, but I'm gonna help you get started, okay? Help you get started, and then I'll help you do a few things on number 2 and number 3 today. I'm giving you an opportunity to take it slow this week, okay? Only doing one page today, one page tomorrow, so take advantage of it, okay? Here we go. Look at number 1, letter A. Find the probability that the arrow will stop on Ohio when it is spun. Okay, so remember your formula, your equation for probability. Down at the bottom, you need to put the number of possible results. So the number of possible things, when you spin that thing, how many things could it stop on? How many things could it stop on? Is it possible to stop on? And then how many things do you want it to stop on? Okay? So on the bottom, how many possible things could it stop on? On the top, how many things do you want it to stop on? They say they just want it to stop on Ohio. So that's just one thing. So I wonder what your number is going to be up top. Okay, let's look at letter B. Letter B says, Ohio was the first state to have public weather forecasting. The first weather probabilities were given in 1869. How many years ago is 1869? What do you have to do to find out how many years ago is 1869? You take this year. What's this year? 2021, and you subtract it from what? 1869. Okay, so go ahead and do that to find out how many years ago was 1869. You can do that with anything. How many years ago were you born? Do 2021 minus that, right? Minus the year you're born. Okay, letter C. The first electric trolley streetcars began operating in Montgomery, Alabama. If it cost a nickel to ride, how much is a nickel? 5 cents. How many passengers could ride for 3/4? So it costs 5 cents. And they have 3/4. Well, how much is a quarter? 25, so 25, 50, 75. How many could go with 75 cents? What do you think you have to do? You need to divide to find out how many 5 cents can go into 75 cents. So go ahead and divide. Look at letter D. In 2006, the population of Indiana was 6,313,520. Okay, so go ahead and make sure that you write the number correctly. It says write using digits. You should have 6 million, so that's one number and a million. Then 3 numbers in the hundreds and 3 numbers in the 3 numbers in the thousands and 3 numbers in the hundreds. Okay, so go ahead and be careful. Look at letter E. General Douglas MacArthur, one of the leading generals in World War II, was born in 1880 and died in 1964. How old was he when he died? Don't do the second part, just do that part. How old was he when he died? Okay, I'm not going to tell you how to do it because I already told you how to do a problem like that on letter B. Look at letter F. The United States bought Alaska from Russia. Isn't that weird that Alaska belonged to Russia? Okay. In 1867. How many years has the United States owned Alaska? Already told you how to do it in letter B. Letter G. Battle Creek, Michigan produces more breakfast cereal than any other city. If a box of cereal costs $4, how many boxes can be bought for $36? I want you to try that on your own. Multiply or divide for that one. Try to figure out which one has sentido to decide. Do you have to divide or do you have to multiply? Well, think about it. Do you want, let's see, every box costs $4. They have $36. How many boxes could they buy? Are they going to buy more than 36 or less than 36? Less, because every box costs $4. So in order to get less, you get to multiply or divide. So go ahead and try that. Letter H. The 2006 population of Minnesota was 10,000 more than 5,157,101. 10,000 more. What was the population of Minnesota? So you need to add this to 10,000. I'm not going to write it for you, but you better make sure that it starts here to figure out where that 10,000 ends. Okay, so go ahead and try it. Show me your work on your paper. Okay, guys, look at number 2. I know that number 2 looks hard, and we're going to kind of try a different way today. You need to reduce this number. What I want you to do, I want you to think of the biggest number that you would think could go into these numbers. So let's just I'm gonna try 2 because these are big numbers. I'm gonna try 4. Do you think 4, because I look at 40 and I'm thinking 4 can go into 40. Okay, so we know 4 goes into 40, but can 4 go into 215? Well, the rule for 4 is it has to end in double zero or it has to end in something divisible by 4. This is not double zeros, and you can't put 15, you can't put 4 into 15, so 4 is out. Okay, well, let's try 5 then. Let's go a little higher, let's go 5. Okay, 5 is possible if it ends in a 0 or it ends in 5. Can you do 40 divided by 5? Yes. Can you do this divided by 5? Yeah, because it ends in 5, so let's try 5. So you go 40 divided by 5, and this divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8, and then this is, let's do it over here. 43. Okay, can we divide this anymore? Well, let's try 2 this time, because now they're smaller numbers. 8 divided by 2 is possible. 43 divided by 2, not possible. Okay, 3. 8 divided by 3 possible? No. So nothing can go into these two. So this answer is correct. Okay? If you cannot find any other number, try 2 or try 3. Okay, let's look at letter B. Try 2 or try 3. Let's look at letter B. Okay, I know that this one you can't do 2 because it's 27, but I can do 3, so I'm going to try 3. And we know the rule for 3 is to add these up. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 divided by 3 is possible. Okay, so that works. 27 divided by 3 is 9, and this divided by 3 is, 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 12 is 4. Okay, remember you can do that here. Oh gosh. And I wrote, I did that completely wrong. Sorry, guys. 3 into 0, 3 into 1 is 0. Can you still see? Yes, that's 4. So 204. Okay, can I divide any more? Well, let's try 3 again. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, can you divide this by 3? Well, 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 4 is 6. Yes, you can. So we have to keep dividing. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then 3 into 204 is 68. Okay, can we divide 3 by 3? Yes, but can we divide 68 by 3? 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 3 is impossible, so that's our answer. 3 over 68. Okay, so try letter C. Try letter C, and then we'll do it together. I'll wait for you. Okay, let's look at it. Let's try 2 or 3. Maybe you're like, well, I just don't really know how to find bigger numbers, Miss Jessica. Okay, let's try 2. Can 2 go into 328? Yes, because it's even on the end. Can 2 go into 400? Yes, because it's even on the end. So here we go, let's try 2. 2 into 328, that's going to be 1, 2, 1, 12, 6, 12, 0, 8, 4. 164, and then 400 divided by 2 is 200. Okay, can we divide by 2 again? Yes, we can. So 2 into 164, well, that's half of 164, which is 82. And half of 200 is 100. Can we divide again? Yep, by 2 again. So you can do it this way if you want to, okay? Can you divide by 2 again? No, because it's 41. So that has to be our answer. Okay, so 41 over 50 is your answer. Okay. I'm going to let you do the rest on your own. Look at letter number 3. Number 3, letter A. 3,072,406,321. Remember what you need to know. That's 3 billion. Now I'm going to have million, thousand, hundred, right? So 72 million. Well, I can't put 72 right here because it doesn't fill it. So I have to put 072, remember? 406,000. 406, 321. Okay, so make sure that you have zeros in place if you need them. Don't adivinar on this, you guys. I've taught you how to write numbers before. If I see that you're chabacanyando with them, I'm going to make you do them all over again. Okay, so try hard. And that's it for today. Bye. Have a great day.